Look at these guys. Trees are falling down on the floor because of a strong wind. This is Inyas Bay. So the other one is about to fall as well. Look at that. Wow. But so far, oh, the other one as well, guys. See, this one is the big one, but see, oh, see, the foundation is not good. So that is the update here at Yas Bay, guys. Some trees are on the floor already. It's falling down. So today we are here again at Yas Bay. I went to Mangrove Village and I only have one strike, which is the pa or flathead. I was able to landed it, guys. But that's it. So we are back here in Yas Bay, and hopefully we are able to catch something here, guys, so I can show you some action. It's a little bit windy today, but we'll see if it's to the fishing spot area. Maybe it's not windy there, and then I will update you again, guys. So for now, stay tuned. Look what happened, guys, because of the wind. It fell. So other area are good. Still good. Only that one is okay. So we are walking towards. Oh, there's one more here, guys. Oh, Mamma Mia. Wind was strong. Look at that. The dates is on the floor now. So let's check if there is more. Oh, Mamma Mia, it's windy, guys. I don't think we are able to catch some fish, but we'll see. It's quite windy, and there is no people. My friend Asret is still here. Let's check if he caught something. Did you catch something? Sherry only? Where's the other anglers? Only you? How are you?
I'm fine. How's everything?
Good. How are you, my friend? It's windy. So guys, it's so windy here. I don't think we are able to catch something today. We got big sherry, guys. Look at that. Giant sherry and tangkit. Where's the sun? Where's your rib? Nice. Nice. So windy. Almost 11 days. Look at that. It's so windy today, guys. So it's not a good day fishing. So what we are going to do, we are going home. Guys, we are going home now. So windy, so it's not a good, like I said earlier, it's not a good day for fishing. Every time you throw the jig, it's coming back to you. So we are going home now, guys. that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like and share. Don't forget to hit the notification button, guys. So, once again, thank you and have a good day.